What's up guys, Steve here again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. Hope you guys are well. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. There's heaps of cool stuff just like this. Now if you guys don't know what these are Toyan motors. This is the L400, L200, and there also is a single cylinder version as well. Check out my other videos. I've done heaps of conversions, all that kind of cool stuff to put these in cars. Now I'm a little bit of a roadblock at the moment. I'm not too sure what to put the L400 in. Sorry there hasn't been more videos lately. It's just I have stripped the drive belt from the starter motor, and it's just here. And you can see that the teeth are just stripped off. So kind of just got it running, and in the startup process it's just stripped. Pain in the ass, but you know, it's got to wait for the parts. But that is all good. I have the new 3-piece clutch have come in as well, which is awesome. Super pumped about that. They should give you much more traction, much more grip. I do notice that our old school ones were slipping a little bit too much, but anyway, I haven't had it all plugged up, ready to go, but that's where I'm at the moment. So I'm just waiting on parts. I haven't forgot about it. I still umming and ahhing what to put it in. Now, as you can see, I originally wanted to put it in this 1/8 scale crawl. I'll leave the link for that if you want, but you can just see that yeah, it's going to be a pretty tight fit. You just look on the side how long it is, and including the radiator as well, which you got to, you know, put that into account. It just, yeah, it's just not enough. This was perfect obviously for L200, which I've done before. You would have seen the orange one, which is that guy up there. That's actually where it's from. We've got another one in the Sen here, and that's pretty cool. That's pretty much completed. One of my favorite builds at the moment. But I was thinking, okay, what can I put it in? And I thought maybe a boat. A boat would be pretty damn cool. Only problem is if it capsizes, there's a few quid under the you know, in the water there and wrestling with the fishes. So I'm not too sure. I was thinking, okay, maybe not that one. What about an L200 in a boat? Much smaller. And the good thing about it, Toyan or Sterling kit, they actually sell a clutch belt with an adapter just straight, so you can put a propeller shaft to it. Really easy. So I'm thinking, okay, maybe that is an option because it's got a clutch. Obviously, it still idles and all that kind of cool things. But I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, I don't know where to put this. Obviously, I can put it in there, but I don't really want to ruin this chassis. I like this one. If the rollers come down a bit in price, maybe I'll buy one of them. I'm not too sure. I've also got that JLB. That's a 1/8 scale crawler as well, but it's going to be in the same predicament as this. So I don't know. Guys, give me some feedback. Give me some inspiration. A tank would be damn cool, but gearboxes are the problem with tanks. So got my Jets boat down there. I've got another Streamline Thrasher V3. Awesome boat. Sick customer service, Scott. He is amazing. Awesome boat. So I've got to do another video of that. But yeah, imagine a jet. Imagine a Toyan powered jet boat. Wouldn't that be interesting? Anyway guys, like I said, quick video. Help me out. What do you think I should put it in? I think it needs something fast. It's got a lot of torque because it's a 4-stroke, but yeah, I don't know. Let me know guys. Let me know what you think.